Hello guys, today I make a quick video to introduce our new products. As you can see on the desk, this is one sample. This is battery terminal resolution kits. It is very hot selling in the market. Okay guys, let's pay attention to the cables firstly. The black one, the red one. This is 1 meter cable with copper conductors. This is a tin-plated copper lung, good stability, wear resistance, corrosion resistance, oxidation resistance, and maintain good electronic conductivity. And for the PVC insulated jacket and pre-seal heat shrink tubbing were resistant, waterproof, moisture-proof, flame retardant, and heat insulating. This is a plastic mounting plate. Fragile hollow prevents the potential of arching against important vehicle hardwire. Also, it has metal guide, make it not easy to be damaged and more durable. At the same time, we use the plastic dust cap. Insulated, easy to identify and prevent closed cables snap in place and never come off while drying. Okay, finally, thank you for your watching. If you have any interest, please come with us. We will show you more details and the videos of installation. Yes.